This is Arbor 1 to 25 Newton-meter torque wrench set for bicycle. There are 14 pieces in this set. 1 torque wrench, 1 socket, 1 extension rod, and 11 high-quality bits. There are 3 steps to adjust the torque. 1. Slide down to unlock. 2. Turn the handle to adjust torque. 3. Release the lock ring to lock. It's set up here for 7 Newton-meter. Press this button to install the bit. Adjust the direction of torque by adjusting the lever. When the set torque value is reached, you will hear a click sound and feel slippage, which ensures that your components are safe from over-torquing.